Speed matters more than loan size when you're short on cash, because waiting 2 or 3 business days can turn a small problem into an overdraft fee or a late payment. By the end of this, you'll know 5 cash advance apps known for fast transfers, how they work, and what to check before you use one. Start with Earnin.to. Earnin is built around paycheck access. You connect your bank and verify your work schedule or direct deposit history. Once approved, it can send money fast through its express option. That makes it one of the most used emergency cash apps. Second is Ndave. Dave focuses on smaller advances and quick setup. It connects directly to your bank account and predicts upcoming bills. That helps prevent overdrafts while giving access to cash advances when needed. Third is Nbridget. Bridget is more focused on account protection. It tracks your balance and can send advances before you hit zero. That's useful if your issue isn't a random emergency but a recurring gap between paychecks. Now the app's built for flexibility. Onmoney offers Instacash, which can move money quickly depending on your account setup. It also bundles banking tools and credit building features, so it works if you want more than just an advance. Then, there's Empower. Empower combines cash advances with spending insights. The setup is simple, and its advance feature is built for short-term cash flow fixes. Here's what actually matters. Fast cash apps usually have 2 transfer speeds. Standard transfers can take 1 to 3 business days. Instant transfers are faster, but many apps charge extra for them. That fee matters. A fast $50 advance with a transfer fee can cost more than you expect. Also check repayment timing. Most apps pull repayment automatically on payday. If your balance is low, that can trigger overdrafts. Always check your next deposit date before borrowing. Quick recap. Best for paycheck-based fast access. Earnin. Best beginner option. Ndave. Best for overdraft prevention. Bridget. Best flexible financial app. Moneyillion.info. Best simple backup option. Empower. The practical next step is easy. Compare instant transfer fees and repayment rules before choosing one. That tells you which app is actually fast and affordable. If this helped you find a faster cash option for emergencies, like the video and subscribe for more.